Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about how to select range, cell content in Excel, how to select entire row, entire column in Excel, and its shortcut keys so that you can quickly use or perform the actions in Excel. So let's get started. So I have this data set in Excel sheet, and here if you want to select entire column without any shortcut key, then you can use mouse and click on you know uh, this A and B, C, D, like these, uh, and if you want to select row, then click on these numbers. Okay, and if you want to use shortcut key, then control space bar. Okay, and if you want to select entire row, then use this shift and space bar. So this one, shift and space bar, and control plus space bar for entire column. Okay, so if you do control plus space bar, then it will select the entire column, and if you use shift spacebar, then it will select only a row. Okay, and if you want to select the current range, it will select, just click Control A, and if you want to select whole sheet, then click Control A, again A. So it will select entire sheet. Okay, and if you want to select particular cell, then just click on this 2 and suppose 8 and this Europe and North America, then copy and paste here. So you can copy and paste like this. And if you want to select particular these four cells, then just click on one and press shift and click on this and copy and paste. So this is basically a very simple steps and shortcut keys by that you can use these quickly in Excel. So like if you want to delete any column like this, so just you can use shortcut keys without using mouse. So just click control space bar and control minus. You can delete this and you can organize your data in a very good way. So again control minus and control minus, you will see your data is cleaned now and unwanted column and rows are deleted. So I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and comment for any feedback and support. Thank you.